I'm gonna go right to. I think I'm. You got it? Okay.
That was the fakest smile I've ever seen in my life.
It is fake.
Where are we going? Right, left? Or left, right?
I'm gonna go right, left. Left, right.
Follow you. Here, Jack, stand back with 2 steps. I know.
Because, yeah, the wind's coming from the other way. There's barely any, but it is. Okay.
China cleared.
I am going up right now.
Alright, taking off. Oh, actually, that flicker looks pretty cool on this plane.
It does.
Oh, man. This thing's so tiny. I'm going to do a screaming low pass.
I'll be behind you. I love that sound this thing makes.
Wake up!
That surprised me. It dipped on me.
I know, same. Mine, like, it dipped
Out of nowhere, it dipped. I'm like, what is it doing?
dipped over into
There must be some sink or something right there. Sheesh. Alright, I'm doing another one.
Oh, can I go from the right?
I'm doing the left right now. I mean, one from the left, so hold on. Just hold off a little bit.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I had to get out of Nate's
I'm
way.
going from the right now.
Go. I had to get out of Nate's way.
Wake up!
That sound, my God.
What the heck?
Okay, tell me when you're done with your pass.
I'm slowing down. Are you going from the right?
I'm gonna go from the right.
Alright, I'm on. Go ahead. That flicker actually looks pretty cool. When it was going by fast, I felt the wind of it going by.
No, I actually went back.
I'm gonna go by slow now from the right. I don't know how slow this thing will actually be.
Ah! The heck?
We're all.
There's sink right there.
Yeah, there is stuff
Because it makes my plane dip every time.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Ready? You're full. Yeah, at the end of the day, this thing flies good 30% ailerons and 50% elevator for me. With 50% expo on each.
Okay, howl pass from the right, from the left.
Someone landing?
A howl pass.
I'm gonna do a fast pass. Wake up! Yeah, no, I wasn't going fast enough. We didn't make the
All right, I'm gonna land.
I heard that voice crack.
Gear down.
Oh! I'm landing from the left.
PJ Frenchie's gonna follow you in.
Yeah, I feel wind from that
Pepe
direction.
Le Pew's coming
10,
in.
9.
Holy crap!
Okay, Frank.
Woo! You guys are crazy.
Alright, I'm coming in. Landing!
I'm all the way closest to us, so
Alright,
let's make sure to stay to the middle or further away.
I'm gonna go on the runway.
4,
Go ahead.
3, 2,
Landing, Frank.
1. Time expired.
Alright, Red.
Go ahead, I'm all the way closest to us.
You gotta judge my landing, though.
I'm very close to us, so come on.
Judge my landing.
You don't want that one judged.
Man, that's gonna
I gotta get my 18 out right now, then my 15.
Hi.
Turning right now, get out of the way, Jack.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
That F-18 is not fast at all.
I know, but it flies really good.
It pulled up there and it like jittered.
Yeah. Oh, look at the sunset.